नमस्कार. मी संजय ठाकरे, गणित शिक्षक, जनता विद्यालय धाबा, कोंडाया महाराज, तालुका गोंडपिंपरी, जिल्हा चंद्रपूर. In mathematics second means geometry, fifth chapter is coordinate geometry. Now we are studying the practice set 5.1. First example is find the distance between each of the following pairs of points. First example, A 2 3 and B 4 1. Let A x1 y1 and B x2 y2. Then we can write the values of x1. x1 means here 2. Then y1 is 3, then x2 is 4 and y2 is 1. Now according to distance formula, distance AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Now here x2 means 4, write in bracket 4, then minus x1, x1 is 2, bracket square, then plus in bracket y2, y2 is 1, then minus y1, y1 is 3, bracket square, which is equal to under root. Now here 4 minus 2 means 2 square, then here plus 1 minus 3 means minus 2 square, which is equal to, now here under root 2 square means 4, then plus minus 2 square means also 4, which is equal to under root 4 plus 4 means under root 8. त्यानंतर याला आपल्याला सॉल्व करायचं आहे, विच इज इक्वल टू, आता हे जे 8 आहे याला आपण याचे असे फॅक्टर घ्यायचे की 1 फॅक्टर हा स्क्वेअर रूट असला पाहिजे, मीन्स 4 × 2 आपल्याला घेता येईल. याला आपण अलग अलग करू शकतो, अंडर रूट 4 × अंडर रूट 2. तर स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ 4 आपल्याला माहीत आहे म्हणजे 2 × अंडर रूट 2. तर अशा प्रकारे आपल्याला हे आन्सर काढता येईल. दिस इज द डिस्टन्स अँड हेन्स डिस्टन्स AB is equal to 2 under root 2, and hence now we can write the distance between points A and B is 2 root 2. This is the answer. Then second is P minus 5 7, Q minus 1 3. Now let P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2. Then x1 is minus 5, y1 is 7, x2 is minus 1 and y2 is 3. Then according to a distance formula, distance between these points P and Q means PQ is equal to under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Now putting the values, now here x2 means minus 1, then minus x1, x1 is minus 5, write in bracket minus 5, then whole square, then plus y2, y2 means here 3, then minus y1, y1 means 7 and whole square. Now on solving we get which is equal to under root here minus 1, then minus plus 5 bracket square, then plus 3 minus 7 means minus 4 square, which is equal to under root. Now here minus 1 plus 5 means here 4 square, then plus minus 4 square means plus 4 square means 16, which is equal to 4 square here, 4 square means 16 plus here 16, which is equal to under root 16 plus 16 means 32, which is equal to, now under root, now 32 means 16 into 2, which is equal to under root 16 into under root 2. Now under root 16 means 4 and into root 2, and hence here distance PQ is equal to 4 root 2, and hence distance between points P and Q is 4 root 2. This is the answer. Then third example, R 0 minus 3 S 0 5 by 2. Let R x1 y1 and S x2 y2. Then x1 is equal to 0, y1 is minus 3, x2 is 0 and y2 is 5 upon 2. Now according to distance formula, distance RS is equal to under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Now putting the values we get, now x2 means here 0, then minus x1 is also 0 bracket square plus y2 is 5 by 2, then minus y1 is minus 3 whole square. Now which is equal to, now 0 minus 0 means 0, 0 square means 0, then plus 0 plus, now here in bracket 5 by 2, then minus plus 3 bracket square, which is equal to, now 0 plus this means this, which is equal to 5 by 2, now 2 3s are 6, 5 plus 6 divided by 2 whole square. Now square and square root get cancelled and we get 5 plus 6 upon 2, which is equal to 5 plus 6 means 11 upon 2, and this distance RS is equal to 11 by 2, and hence now we can write distance between point R and S is 11 upon 2. This is the answer. Then third example, fourth example is L 5 minus 8 and M minus 7 minus 3. Let L x1 y1 and M x2 y2. Then x1 is 5, y1 is minus 8, x2 is minus 7 and y2 is minus 3. According to distance formula, distance between these 2 points LM means distance LM is equal to under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, which is equal to under root. Now x2 is minus 7, then minus x1 means here 5 bracket square, then plus y2 is minus 3, then minus y1 means minus 8 and complete bracket square, which is equal to याला सॉल्व करायचं आहे आपल्याला. नाव हियर अंडर रूट, नाव -7 minus 5 means -12 square, then plus -3 minus plus 8, here -3 plus 8 bracket square, and which is equal to under root, now -12 square means 144, then 8 minus 3 means 5 square, which is equal to under root 144, then plus 5 square means 25, and which is equal to under root 144 plus 25 means 169, and hence to find the square root, and hence a distance LM is equal to under root 169 means 13, and hence distance between point L and M is 13. This is the answer. Then fifth example, t minus 3 is 6, r 9 minus 10. Let t x1 y1 and r x2 y2, then x1 is -3, then y1 means 6, x2 is 9 and y2 is -10. Now according to distance formula, distance tr is equal to under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square is equal to, now x2 means here 9 minus x1 means -3 bracket square, plus y2 is -10, then minus y1 is 6 whole square, which is equal to under root, now here 9, then minus 3 minus plus, then 3 bracket square, then plus -10 minus 6, here -10 minus 6 bracket square, which is equal to under root, now 9 plus 3 means 12 square, then plus here -10 minus 6 means -16 whole square, which is equal to under root, now here 12 square means 144, then plus 16 square is 256. Now adding we get, which is equal to under root 144 plus 256 means 400, which hence distance tr is equal to, now under root 400 means the 20. This is the answer, and hence the distance between points P and R is 20. This is the answer. Then sixth example, w minus 7 by 2 4 and x 11 4. Let w x1 y1 and x x2 y2. Now here x1 is minus 7 by 2, then y1 is 4, x2 is 11 and y2 is 4. Now according to distance formula, आतापर्यंत आपण डिस्टन्स फॉर्म्युला लिहिला, तोच x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now putting the values, then we get x2 means here 11, then minus x1 means here it is minus 7 by 2, then whole square, then plus y2. Now here y2 is 4, then minus y1 is also 4, bracket square. Now which is equal to under root, now 11 minus plus 7 by 2, then bracket square. Now 4 plus 4 means 0, 0 square means here 0, which is equal to under root. Now 11 plus 7 by 2, 11 to the 22 plus 7 divided by 2 whole square, which is equal to under root. Now 22 plus 7 means 29 upon 2 and bracket square. Now the square root and square get cancelled and we get distance wx is equal to 29 divided by 2. This is the answer, and hence now we can write the distance between points w and x is 29 upon 2. This is the answer. Now the second question, determine whether the points are collinear. And first example is A 1 minus 3, B 2 minus 5, C minus 4, 7. Now we have to take the distances between AB, BC and EAC. Now here by distance formula, distance AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, which is equal to, now putting the values, then we get, now here, now AB, now this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Now putting here values, x2 means 2, then minus x1 means 1 square, then plus y2 is minus 5, then minus y1 means minus 3 whole square. Now on solving we get, which is equal to under root 2 minus 1 square means 1 square, then plus minus 5 minus plus 3, minus 5 plus 3 means minus 2 square, which is equal to under root 1 square means 1, then plus 2 square means 4, which is equal to under root 5. This is the distance AB, and hence here distance AB, distance AB is equal to under root phi. या ठिकाणी हे डिस्टन्स आपण काढून शकलो. सपोज दिस इज 1. दिस इज डिस्टन्स ए बी. देन फाइंड डिस्टन्स बी सी. Distance BC is equal to, now we know the formula x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Now directly putting the values now from BC means now here x2 is minus 4, then minus x1 is 2 bracket square, then plus y2 is 7, then minus y1 means minus 5 whole square, which is equal to under root. Solving we get minus 4 minus 2 means minus 6 square, then plus 7 minus plus 5, 7 plus 5 means 12 square, which is equal to, now under root 6 square means 36, then 12 square means 144. Adding we get under root, now 36 plus 144 means 180, which is equal to, now here under root 36 into 5, which is equal to 6 under root 5. This is 2. Then we have to find out AC, distance AC. Distance AC is equal to, now under root, here x2 minus x1. Now from AC, this is x2 means minus 4 minus x1 is 1 square, then plus y2 means 7, then minus y1 means minus 3 bracket square, which is equal to under root minus 4 minus 1 means minus 5 square, then plus 7 minus plus 3, 7 plus 3 means 10 square. This is 10 square, which is equal to under root. Now 5 square means, 5 square is minus 5 square means 25, then plus 10 square means 100, which is equal to under root 125, which is equal to 125 means 25 5 125, square root of 25 means 5 into under root 5. This is number 3. Now from 1 to 3, from 1 to and 3, 1 to 3 जर आपण ऑब्झर्व केलं तर then we get root 5 plus 5 root 5 is equal to 6 root 5, and now these values root 5 is here. Root 5 means distance AB, hence distance AB, then plus 5 root 5 5 root 5 means distance AC. Distance AC is equal to 6 root 5. This means BC, means distance BC. And hence, these two distances addition, sum of these two distances is equal to this distance BC, and hence we can write now the points A, B, C. These points are collinear. Points are collinear. Now, second example. Second example, L minus 2, 3, M 1 minus 3, and N 5, 4. Now here distance LM, सुरुवातीला आपण डिस्टन्स LM काढणार आहोत. LM. Now here x2 means 1. Now here 1 minus x2 minus x1 means minus 2 whole square. Then plus y2, here y2 is minus 3, then minus y1 means 3 whole square by distance formula. Now which is equal to under root here 1 minus plus 2 bracket square, then plus 3 minus 3 means minus 6 bracket square, which is equal to under root. Now 1 plus 2 means 3 square, then minus 6 square means 36, which is equal to under root 3 square means 9 plus 36, which is equal to under root 9 plus 36 means 45, which is equal to 3 under root 5. Suppose this is 1. This is distance LM. Now we have to find MN. Distance MN is equal to under root MN means this and this. Now x2 means this pi minus x1 means pi minus 1 bracket square plus now y2 minus y1. Now here y2 is 4, then minus y1 means here minus 3 bracket square. On solving we get which is equal to under root. Now 5 minus 1 means 4 square, then plus 4 minus 3 plus 3, 4 plus 3 means 7 square, which is equal to under root 4 square means 16, then plus 7 square means 49, then which is equal to, now on solving we get 16 plus 49 means we can find here this is 65 under root 65. This is 65. Suppose this is number 2. Then we have to find LN. Distance LN n is equal to under root. Now ln means here x2 is 5 minus x1 means minus 2 bracket square, then plus y2 is 4 minus y1 is 3 bracket square, which is equal to under root. Now 5 minus minus plus 2 means here 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2 bracket square, then plus 4 minus 3 means 1 square, which is equal to 5 plus 2 means 7 square plus 1 square means 1, which is equal to under root 7 square means 49, then plus 1, which is equal to under root 50. Now this is under root 50. Now we can simplify this, means under root 25 into 2, which is equal to under root 25 means 5 root 2. This is suppose 3. Now observing 1, 2, 3 from 1 to 3. हे जर ऑब्झर्व केलं, फर्स्टमध्ये डिस्टन्स 3 रूट 5, देन सेकंडमध्ये अंडर रूट 65 आणि थर्डमध्ये 5 रूट 2. हे ऑब्झर्व केल्यानंतर सर्वात मोठी कोणती लाईन आहे ती आपल्याला बघायची आहे. ही सर्वात मोठी आहे आणि जी छोटे आहे मीन्स 3 अंडर रूट 5 देन प्लस 5 अंडर रूट 2. याची व्हॅल्यू जर आपण काढण्याचा प्रयत्न केला तर ही नॉट इक्वल टू, आपण याला जर सॉल्व करून बघितलं तर दिस इज नॉट इक्वल टू अंडर रूट 65. याची व्हॅल्यू येत नाही, इक्वल नाही, त्याची सम एवढी येत नाही. अँड हेन्स the points L, M, N are not collinear. म्हणून हे जे पॉइंट्स आहे ते कोलिनियर नाही. देन थर्ड एक्झाम्पल R03 D21 S 3 minus 1. Now here we can find distance RD. Distance RD is equal to, now under root, we know the formula x2 minus x1 square means 2 minus 0 square plus R2 minus y1 minus y2 minus y1 means 1 minus 3 bracket square by distance formula. Now on solving we get which is equal to under root 2 minus 0 means 2 square, then 1 minus 3 means minus 2 bracket square, which is equal to under root 2 square means 4, then plus minus 2 square means also 4, which is equal to under root 4 plus 4 means 8, which is equal to 8 means 4 into 2, square root of 4 means 2 root 2. Suppose this is 1. This is the distance RD. Then ds, distance ds is equal to under root ds means x2 minus x1 means 3 minus 2 whole square plus y2 means minus 1, then y1 means minus 1 bracket square, then which is equal to under root, now 3 minus 2 means 1 square, then plus minus 1 minus 1 means minus 2 square, which is equal to under root 1 square means 1 plus minus 2 square means 4, which is equal to under root 1 plus 4 means 5. Suppose this is number 2. This is the distance ds. या ठिकाणी आर डी फाइंड केलं, त्यानंतर आपण डी एस फाइंड केलं. आता आर एस फाइंड करायचं आहे. डिस्टन्स आर एस इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट आर एस. नाउ हियर x2 is 3 minus x1 is 0 square, then plus now y2 is minus 1, then y1 is 3 minus 3 bracket square, now solving we get which is equal to under root 3 minus 0 means 3 square, then plus minus 1 minus 3 means minus 4 square, which is equal to, on solving we get 3 square means 9, then 4 minus 4 square means 16, which is equal to, now 9 plus 16 means under root 25, means distance res is equal to 5. Suppose this is 3. Now from 1 to 3, from 1 2 and 3 हे तिन्ही जर आपण ऑब्झर्व केले, 1 2 3 तिन्ही ऑब्झर्व केल्यानंतर आपल्या लक्षात येणार की दोघांची जी सम आहे ती थर्ड बरोबर आहे किंवा नाही. मग यामध्ये जी सर्वात मोठी आहे अंडर रूट 8 आहे, अंडर रूट 5 आहे आणि अंडर रूट 25 आहे. तर अंडर रूट 25 ही ग्रेटर आहे, ग्रेटर दॅन अदर 2 मीन्स या ठिकाणी, आणि म्हणून आपण घेऊ शकतो 2 अंडर रूट 2, देन सेकंड अंडर रूट 5 या दोघांची सम, आणि ही 5 किंवा अंडर रूट 25 कोणतेही लिहिलं तरी चालते. दिस इज 5, बट दिस इज नॉट इक्वल टू दिस, and hence we can write the points RDS, R, D and S are not collinear. These points are not collinear. अशा प्रकारे हे आपण फाइंड करू शकलो. Then fourth example. आता fourth example मध्ये P minus 2 3 Q 1 2 R 4 1. Now by distance formula, this distance PQ is equal to, now under root we know the formula, means x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. This is the distance formula. Now putting the values, which is equal to under root. Now here PQ means x2 is here 1, then minus x1 is minus 2, and hence whole square. Then plus now y2 is 2, then minus y1 is 3, bracket square. On solving we get means under root. Now here 1 minus plus 2 means 1 plus 2 means 3 square, then plus 2 minus 1 means minus 1 square, which is equal to under root 3 square means 9, then plus 1 square means 1, which is equal to under root 9 plus 1 means 10. This is 1. This is the distance between P and Q. Then QR, distance QR, which is equal to now under root x2 minus x1 from QR means 4 minus 1 bracket square, then y2 minus y1, y2 means 1 minus y1 means 2 bracket square. On solving, which is equal to under root 4 minus 1 means 3 square, then plus 1 minus 2 means minus 1 square, which is equal to under root 3 square means here 9, then 1 square means 1, which is equal to under root 10. This is the second. Then next PQ पण झालं, QR पण झालं. आता आपल्याला फाइंड करायचं आहे PR. नाउ distance PR is equal to under root. Now PR here x2 means 4 minus x1 means minus 2 bracket square, then plus y2 means 1, then minus y1 means 3 bracket square. On solving we get under root 4 minus plus 2, 4 plus 2 bracket square, then plus 1 minus 3 means minus 2 square. On solving we get which is equal to under root 4 plus 2 means 6 square means 36, then plus minus 2 square means 4, which is equal to under root 36 plus 4 means 40, which is equal to 40 means 4 into 10, square root of 4 means 2 under root 10. This is third. Then from here 1 to 3. Now from 1, 2 and 3, then we get, observe this, under root 10 plus under root 10 is equal to 2 under root 10, and hence now we can write here under root 10 means distance PQ, then plus under root 10 means distance QR is equal to 2 under root 10 means distance PR, and hence Now here we can write the points PQR. Points PQR are collinear. These points are collinear. Thank you.